6:46 p.m. Friday local time off the coast of Miyagi Prefecture. That's in the coast off northern Japan. The quake's estimated magnitude has been revised.
Some observatories are not able to monitor the situation of tsunami disrupted, and the monitoring has been disrupted, so there's no record at this moment regarding tsunami.
This fire was caused by the earthquake or the tsunami. We don't know the details, but there's a big fire in that oil refinery. It's in Chiba. Chiba is a close city to Tokyo, just about 100 close to Tokyo. As you can see, there are lots of damage done across the country. We don't know the whole